Oh, I'm on Andy. I'm going to send it to my YouTube channel. I'm Andy. Meow. Oh, yeah. I gotta still send my shot after I'm gonna. One I'm going to do, I'm gonna drink my shot while I'm at it. Alright. So yeah, everybody, we just had Strange Cat to tell how we got through all the time. She done that like how many years, Mom? 9 years. You know that our house. And then she just changed on Friday at. Tell her Mom after she changed. Now she's finally here. I'm glad to see her. Oh yeah, I just moved the ball to. You know the roof we have on my room? Yeah. Ah, there she go. Hey, buddy. You going somewhere? You going somewhere? Oh, yes, she is. I need to follow her. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, kitty, kitty. Oh, so fun. Come on, go ahead, go ahead. I'll see you next time, kitty kitty. Bye bye. I already know it's just on that, so she's right there. Meow meow. Bye-bye. So I'm calling this. I'm so cool. I think I'll her clothes. Look at her. She's so adorable. She's a walking, right? Yep. Shit, God. Alright, so you guys know this is crazy. I gotta go over there right now. She needs your help. Alright, sorry I cuss. Quack, quack, quack. Yeah, buddy, I'm here. Come on. Come on down here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Ah. Yeah, kitty, kitty. I don't want to get bit by that guard. Come on, buddy. Go ahead. Go ahead. What? What? I'm following you. I'm calling you. Alright, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you later. Bye.